What is up, guys? It's BT back here again with another review. Today we have a review on the Jaybird Tarahs, the newest in the Jaybird line. I finally got my hands on them and I'm here to give you guys my thoughts on them. I reached out to Jaybird and they actually sent me out a sample to test. So thank you, Jaybird, for that. But all these opinions are my own. In the time that I was communicating with Jaybird, they also wanted to go over some of the issues that I was having with like the proprietary charger and why they use it and some of the audio delays. So I'm going to give you guys an update on what's been going on with that as well. But before we begin, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. I'm doing earbuds, headphones, phones, computer accessories, and pretty soon computers and computer builds. I'm going to get into that as well, so stay tuned, make sure you're subbed, and there could be a possible giveaway very soon, possibly on some Jaybirds, so be on the lookout for that. Now, one thing that Jaybird has really nailed this year in 2018 is their silicone tips and their ear fins. These things remind me of the Bose SoundSport wireless, and those are super comfortable, some of the best silicone on the market, and these can really compete with those, so that's saying a lot. So right off the bat, amazing comfort, and they also isolate a lot. The oval shape really helps with blocking out and fitting into your ear canal to block out gym noise or outside noises, or you can leave them a little bit loose to let in that outside noise. There's also a tightener on the back to keep the cord off your neck. There's also a clip as well, so you can clip it to the back of your shirt and things like that. The cord, as always, is amazing. It's sturdy. It's always good from Jaybird. The remote is smaller and lighter than on the Jaybird X4s, which I like. These are great for if you're just in the gym and you want to work out, you want a very minimal headphone, then you can save yourself $30 and pay the $100 for these earbuds and get like the baby brother of the Jaybird X4s. I really enjoyed using this in the gym. I love Jaybird's way of controlling your music. They have the volume rocker, which also doubles as skipping tracks. So if you hold the positive, it'll skip it forward. If you hold the negative, it will skip back a track. So it really avoids all of those unnecessary double and triple taps that sometimes don't work correctly and you have to time it right. So I like that they just got rid of that completely and just do something that works. So I like that they made the Tarahs a little bit lighter. These are coming in at 13.5 grams and the Jaybird X4s are 14.7. That's definitely going to help with keeping them in place during your workouts. For sound, what can I say? These are my favorite wireless earbuds for sound at the moment. It's got great spatial sound stage. I compare these to somewhat of an open back headphone, but they don't leak out the sound. They actually keep it very isolated. I don't know how Jaybird does it, but the drivers in here are amazing. I love the bass response in these headphones. You know, if you want to, you can go into the EQ and change the bass. I really like to pump up the bass and the mids. That really just brings in the richness of songs for me and the genres that I listen to. It could be different for you guys though. If you want to pump up that highs and the treble, if you love classical, you can do that as well. So these are the first earbuds that I really feel like are just super spacious and the sound stage is great. You can hear it layered like a cake. You can have your mids, your vocals, and your bass doesn't overcome it. The trebles just roll off nice and tidy at the top. It's just an amazing experience top to bottom. I love these, and I think these are actually the same drivers. I was looking at the specs as the Jaybird X4s, so you're getting an amazing value with these. Save yourself $30, why not? So one problem that I really had with Jaybird is the proprietary charger. Like, what if you lose it? What if you don't have it with you and your headphones are dying? Which is all still valid points, but now I kind of see why they're doing it. They're doing it to keep sweat from getting into the electronics and to keep it IPX7 rated, so you can submerge these up into 1 meter in water and they'll be fine up to 30 minutes, I believe. So yeah, these will do a great job if you're a huge sweater. Still not a fan of the proprietary charger, but at least there is some reason behind it, and it's a pretty good reason in my opinion, because it'll lead to your headphones and earbuds lasting a lot longer. So the battery life is 6 hours, down from 8 hours on the Jaybird X4s. This is still pretty good. I found myself being able to get through almost an entire week with just these earbuds, going to the gym about 1 to 2 hours a day. Yeah, the battery was great in my opinion. I didn't really see a reason to even need 8 hours. Unless you're going on a flight, then I would say go with the Jaybirds, or you know you're not going to be able to charge for a long time, go with the Jaybirds. You need that extended listening. If not, why not just go with these and save yourself some dough? So call quality has never been a strong suit of the Jaybird lines. They sound tinny, like you're in a hallway. These are mainly made for sports and working out, and the occasional call once in a while. They do the job just fine. But don't use these for business, or if you are taking important calls or you need to call your family. They're barely going to hear you. So yeah, definitely go with something else in that case. But if not, if you're just using these for a workout headphone, these will do you just fine. Another area where I had a lot of issues is the connection. When I first took these into the gym, I had iOS 12. I took them into the gym and there's a ton of breakups, but it was actually a bug with iOS itself. Once I reset the network settings on my phone, I'll give you guys the directions down below if you need to do it as well. I did that, I took them back to the gym and they worked perfectly fine. And they have the same Bluetooth range as the Jaybird X4s. These are also rocking the new Bluetooth 5.0. So yeah, you get a lot of great tech in these earbuds. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for my review of the Jaybird Tarahs. I love these earbuds. They're one of my favorites now. I love what Jaybird is doing with the sound and the soundstage of their earbuds. Jaybird never change, and that EQ, just so good. It's so good. It's really hard to beat. When I go to other earbuds, I really miss that feature. I download their app, I'm trying to look to see if they have an EQ, and they never do. So Jaybird, thank you for having the EQ. Whoever came up with that idea is a genius. They need a raise. All right guys, so thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions, be sure to let me know down below. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to your boy. It's been your boy BT saying peace.